So this section will show you the process of how to activate your Lebara Prepaid SIM card on the internet. Now the first thing is to go to the Lebara mobile homepage, which is at www.lebara-mobile.com.au, and the EN here stands for English. As you can see from here, you have a variety of different languages to choose from, including English, Mandarin, Spanish, Arabic, and so on. For the activation of your mobile SIM card, the button you're interested in on this homepage is this one here that says Activate Now. And when you activate on the internet, you automatically get $5 of extra credit. So let's press this button. So after clicking the Activate Now button, you'll be directed to this web page here. Now on this web page, you'll be required to fill in your new mobile phone number and your new SIM card number. Okay, so you're filling your new mobile phone number in here and the last 8 digits of your new SIM card number in here. Now you can use a new phone number, or you can roll over your current or previous number to this current Lebara account, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment, which will be very easy and quick. But for this step, you will need to validate this starter pack by entering the new mobile number. So where do you find this number? Well, at the back of the Lebara SIM card starter pack, there is a sticker with 2 barcodes and 2 numbers. The first one is an ICC ID, which is the SIM card ID, okay, which is this card ID here. And the second one is your new mobile phone number. So you simply put your new mobile number in here and the last 8 digits of the ICC ID in here. So the previous digits already entered. You only need to enter the last 8 digits in here. And once you've done that, click Next. So after clicking the Next button, you'll be redirected to this page here. Now on this page, you'll be required to fill in some of your personal details, your account details, to provide 60 points of ID to prove that you're a valid user to use telecommunication services in Australia. And also you have to make up a 6-digit PIN code so you can use that to later on log into Lebara website to check your account and so on. But don't worry, we'll go through this one by one. So the first one is the personal details section. This is a reasonably straightforward section. You just fill in your information here, so first name, last name, date of birth, street address. Okay, it's quite straightforward, just like how you fill out other online forms. With contact number, if you do not have a mobile phone number yet, do not worry, just select either home or work and then put in your home or work number here. That should be good. If you have a mobile phone number, you can also put that in here. Okay, also enter your email address and select whether you wish to receive promotional information from Lebara Mobile. Okay, it's all up to you. It's quite straightforward. So after you completed this section, you go to this section here that says identification requirements. Now by law in Australia, if you want to prove that you're a valid user of telecommunication services in Australia, you need to provide at least 60 points of ID. Okay, so what you do is you select the ID type from a list of them, okay, and provide the ID number, select the state and the expiry date. Okay, let me just do an example. Let's say, for example, if you have your Australia's driver's license, which is exactly 60 points, ID number, just make up a number, let's say 1 million. State, let's just say Victoria. Expiry date, just make up another number, 01 211. Okay, we'll just make up a number, 2011. Just make up this number in this format. After filling out all 4 fields, you click Add, and you'll see the data populated in here, where you can check and validate. If the data you've entered is not correct, what you can do is to tick this box and click Remove. So that'll be removed, and you can enter 4 details here again, and click Add and check again. Okay, but you need to make sure the information that you entered in all 4 fields are correct. So once you've done identification requirements, we now move to account details. So below the section where you filled out 60 points of credits is this section here called the account details. And now this is where you have the option of whether you want to activate using your new number, or you might choose to activate with an existing number or previous number with your another network. If you select this option here, you have to fill out your previous number or the number that you want to roll over, the existing service provider that you're with, and also the account ID. You might find the account ID on the recent bill that you have with your current service provider. Okay, so if you choose this option here, the rollover of the number can take up to say 24 hours, or it can be even up to 3 days depending on who your service provider is. Okay, so that's the amount of time it'll take if you want to roll over your number. Okay, that's for free as well. Now if you want to activate using the new number given to you, and it's given to you at the back of the SIM card starter pack, if you want to choose this option, your number and your accounts will be activated in a matter of 5 minutes to 6 minutes, and later on you'll receive a SMS from Lebara saying what your 6-digit PIN number is, as well as some congratulations, and you've done this, you've done that, well done, that sort of things. Okay, and after that you've got to choose whether you want your number to be listed in the white pages. That's all up to you. If you want your address to be appeared in the listing, that's up to you as well. Okay, so that's all up to you. Now, moving to PIN details. This is the section where you have to choose a 6-digit PIN number consisting of entirely of numbers. Now, the reason you need this is later on, if you want to use your mobile phone as your username and you 6-digit PIN as a password, you will need to log on to your Lebara website to manage your account. So do things like check your credits, top up your credits, do your recharge, check your history, and that sort of things. Okay, so that'll be very useful. So you need to choose a 6-digit PIN in here and confirm it in here, and also put it in somewhere safe so you can remember it. Okay, once you've done that, just click next. After clicking the next button, you'll be directed to this page here, where you'll check all the details you filled in the last form, and if anything is not correct, please go back and fill in again. If everything is correct, we go to the activate button at the bottom right hand corner. So, congratulations, you've just completed the activation process of your Lebara mobile SIM card. And if you activated a new number, the services should be up and running within a few minutes. Say, for example, around 3 to 4 minutes, you'll receive an SMS from Lebara saying congratulations, you've activated the SIM card, and they'll also confirm with you the 6-digit PIN code that you chose, so you can confirm that. Okay, you'll need that later on to log into your account to manage your account. Okay, now if you have activated your account using your existing number, as I said, it depends on who the service provider is, but it can take maybe a few days.